Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial on Lightroom Classic I will show you how to auto-tone all of your photos at once. So it's very simple. First you need to, when you want to tone your photo like this, apply preset, and then you want all of these photos to look like this, or you just use this auto option right here and it edits your photo for you. So if you want to all of your photos look like this, then I will bring it back with Ctrl Z to show you. You will need to select your first photo and then select your last photo with Shift while you're holding Shift, and it will select all of it between. And then you have to turn on this sync option right here, this toggle, and then make sure you click here on auto. And now it will automatically edit all of these photos and any adjustment that you do. So let's say I will bring up the highlights and lower the shadows right here. It will do it on every other photo, as you can see. I will do some adjustments, some drastic ones, so exposure, and now boom, every of these photos adjusted at the same time. So this is how we do it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.